Welcome to another CompuByte software tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to use the Ultra Turbo Artificial Intelligence ordering from the CompuByte point of sale software. The first thing you do is you go to the stock reports, you click on stock reports, you put your access code in, you choose the group that you want to take stock of, or you can choose all the groups. I'm just going to choose group number 420, and I'm going to click on overstock, understock, report, reorder. I click on that and I'm going to choose 4 months, or you could choose 5 months. Preferably 4 months is what most of the suppliers, most of the customers use. Click OK. Now it tells you, do you want to open the overstock, understock file in Excel? You choose yes. You now go to data. You say sort. You sort by supplier. You add a level, then sort by below or overstock. Smallest to largest, you change it to largest to smallest, and you say OK. Now you've got your stock items and you've got your PAU codes. Now you can see what item, this item you've got 29 in stock. The reorder level is 9, you've got an overstock of minus 20. This particular item you have to order 4, and you have to order 4 and your order level is 4. This particular item your order level is 81 and you've got 34 in stock, so you have 47 to order. This way you can do all your ordering directly through the CompuByte software using the artificial intelligence AI. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.